Can't make or receive calls on your Samsung phone? Before assuming it's a serious problem, try these simple fixes. This guide covers the most effective troubleshooting methods to restore your calling service and get your phone working normally again. Step 1. Toggle airplane mode. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap Connections, then locate airplane mode near the top of the screen. Turn it on, wait about 10 seconds, and then switch it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to your mobile network and often resolves temporary signal problems. Step 2. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power or side button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart, then wait for your phone to shut down and power back on. A restart clears temporary system errors and refreshes background services that may be preventing calls from working correctly. Step 3. Disable call blocking. Launch the phone app and tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Settings, then tap Block Numbers. If Block Unknown Private Numbers is enabled, switch it off. Also, check the blocked numbers list to make sure an important contact wasn't accidentally blocked. Step 4. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. If you see Do Not Disturb or Bedtime Mode highlighted, tap it to disable the feature. You can also open Settings, tap Notifications, then Do Not Disturb and make sure it is turned off so incoming calls can ring normally. Step 5. Clear the phone app cache and allow permission touch and hold the phone app icon, then tap the app info icon. Open storage, then tap clear cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your contacts or call history and may fix issues caused by corrupted cache data. After that, open the permission menu and allow all of the necessary permission options. Step 6. Reseat the SIM card. Turn off your phone completely before removing the SIM tray with the SIM eject tool. Carefully inspect the SIM card for dirt or damage. Gently wipe it with a soft, dry cloth if necessary. Then place it back into the tray correctly and insert it firmly before powering the phone back on. Step 7. Update system software. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Software Update, then select Download and Install. If a new update is available, install it and restart your device afterward. Software updates frequently include bug fixes and network improvements that can solve calling issues. Step 8. Reset mobile network settings. Go to Settings, scroll to General Management, tap Reset, then choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. Confirm the reset if prompted. This refreshes your cellular network configuration without removing your personal files and can fix connection problems caused by incorrect network settings. If you're still unable to make or receive calls after trying every method, contact your mobile carrier to check for account or network issues, or visit a Samsung service center if you suspect a hardware problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope one of these solutions helped get your Samsung phone working again.